Good morning everyone. This is your class for economics, and in this class we are going to study a one-page note of money and money supply. You also need to make this one-page note on your notebook, and if the page is not enough in your notebook, then you will prepare this on a A4 size sheet and keep this pasted in your notebook. Okay, let's start. So in money and money supply, the first topic we have discussed is water system. What is water system? When goods and services are exchanged for goods and services itself, which means we are exchanging goods and services for goods and services. There is no involvement of money at all. There are certain defects of this system. The first is there was absence of common measure of value. We cannot measure any of the product on a common scale. The second thing is there was a need of double coincidence of want, which means that the particular person who is going to buy or sell the product needs to check that if there is double coincidence of his want or not. Double coincidence of want means the thing that you are going to sell is the demand of other, and the thing that the other is going to sell is the demand of yours. Third is lack of divisibility. Your product was not able of division. Like in case of money, you can divide your money into smaller units for payment. Next is problem of storing wealth. You cannot store the wealth because earlier wealth was in the sense of some grains, some animals or etc., which were a sort of living thing, or if non-living then they were perishable nature. So there was a problem in storing these things, but like now money can be stored very easily. So that was the defect of the water system. The fifth is the problem of deferred payment. Like you cannot pay the particular amount or the particular thing in some parts. Like if you are going to pay a cow for some particular product you have purchased, you cannot pay cow twice or thrice in payment in EMI sort, but that is possible in case of money supply. Next is what is money. So whatever we have generally accepted as a medium of exchange and we can store that, which government have also approved, that is money, and its function basically it serves as a medium of exchange between the person. The next is it can be stored and it have a store value. It can be measured, so it has a measurable value. Next is it is used for deferred payments, like you can pay the amount in EMIs. The next is the transfer of value. You can transfer some amount to another person for anything you want. Alright. Next was the concept of supply of money, and there were some components of it. Now what is supply of money? It means that the total stock of money held by the public and the demand deposit with the bank, which means the cash that is with the public and the demand deposit that is with bank. Now let's check its components. So its components are here. First is currency. Currency means cash and coin that the public is having. Next is demand deposit. Demand deposit can be in current account or can be in saving account. So whatever you have saved in your bank, that is demand deposit. You can withdraw that particular amount anytime by the way of check or by ATM card or through a application form. The third was time deposit. So what is time deposit? When you have saved money for a particular time period, that is time deposit. The time deposit depends on various times that you have preferred for that, like 15 days or 1 year, 2 year, or any of these. You will get particular interest rate on the days or months or year you have accepted for that. Next was what was the concept of money supply. So the concept of money supply was explained in two terms, narrow and the broad concept. The narrow concept is also known as M1 concept, and the broad concept is also known as M3 concept. In M1 concept we have currency plus demand deposit plus other deposits of RBI, okay, which means all of three. The M2 concept that is not written here include the post office savings with M1. The M3 concept is cash plus demand deposit plus other deposits plus time deposit, which means we have here time deposit and other deposit that were separate from the M1 concept. Alright, this was the broader concept. Next is the form of money. So anything that have limited and unlimited legal tenders, that is money. Okay, like suppose you government have accepted a particular note of 200 as legal tender, and that is accepted by money in the public, or for limited time, like you have issued a particular coin or a particular coupon that can be used for money for 2 days or 2 weeks that is also limited legal tender money, like the coupon you receive after shopping for discount for further shopping, that is limited legal tender. Next is convertible paper money. You know what is convertible paper money, that can be converted into some another currency. Non-convertible paper money, that cannot be converted. Then is full bodied money and token money. That means that there is a representation of money, not actual money is there. Then is bank money like checks and drafts. The last is evolution of money, how money evolved. So firstly we used animals for exchange, then we used some goods or commodities for exchange. Then thirdly we used metallic money. Metallic means the coins were made of silver, gold and some other metals. Then the fourth comes paper money, the notes we are using. Then bank money. Bank money means your checks and drafts. Then near money are bill of exchange and bonds etc., which can be converted in money within a very few days. The last is plastic card money. The plastic card money means the debit card, credit card, ATMs that you are using. This was all about the 6th chapter, a one-page revision, of one short revision we can say for the chapter number 6, money and money supply. In case of any doubt, you will write that doubt in your notebook and contact me in the next class. Have a good day.